Okay. So today's lecture, lecture in yesterday means in previous lecture, what we have seen, spanning tree and all, right? This point we have seen, right? So आज के lecture में we will see the Kruskal's algorithm and Prim's algorithm. So जिसकी definition we have seen already. Okay, so let's see the example of this. Then you will get better. Okay, so for this we have to draw first diagram. We have to go in paint. Then let's draw the graph. Then we will, according to our algorithm, we will work on this. Okay, so let's draw the diagram first. Okay, first draw the diagram here. Okay, so now we have to link this. Okay, after giving circle, we have to link this particular point. Okay. We have to apply our algorithm, Kruskal algorithm. So first we will draw this diagram, then we will use the steps. Okay, so here we have to give the loop also. Okay, let's give the loop. So we are giving the number of particular edges and direction, right? Or here two self loop are there, right? Okay, let me complete this diagram, then we will discuss. Okay, so we can give the name of this diagram. Let's consider following example. So this is a example of which first what? Yes, one minute. This is the example of our first algorithm, like crystal, and this is and prince. So this is the example. Through this example, we have to what we have to do. We have to follow some steps here. So for in first steps, let's go in again paint. Then you will get. So this is a graph. Okay. So we have to follow this first step first. So in first steps, remove all loops. Okay. The first step is what? Remove all loop. Remove all loop and parallel edges. So in first step we have to remove all loops and parallel edges. Okay, parallel edges from the given graph, from the above graph, from the given graph, yeah, above graph, whatever you want to say, given graph. Okay, in case parallel edges, keep the one which has the least cost associate and remove all others. Okay, so let's move the paint here and we have to remove a loop. Okay, so here loop is there, so we have to remove this one. We have to remove this loop. Okay, so no need this, and we have to remove this also according to our step first, right? Copy this. Our graph will be like this only now after removing the loops. Okay, you know very well this is called the self loop. Okay, so हमने first step, we have completed our first step. Now let's see the next step. Next step is, so let's see the next step. Second step is that second step. Okay, so here in second step, arrange all the edges. Arrange all the edges in increasing order. Increasing order में हम लोगों को increasing order. Okay, so we have to arrange all the edges in increasing order. Okay, so let's for this we have to take for a table. We have to do use the table here. Okay, so for this purpose we require okay, so let's draw. So here edges, right here edges, edge, and below right width. Okay, so here we have arrange all the edges in increasing order. So increasing order में हमें edges को arrange करना है. So write B, D, right? Then D, T, then A, C, then C, D, then BC, then BT, then BT, then AB, then AS, and final SC. So you can see here all are there, right? So we have to find in increasing form, मतलब increasing order में. So first 2, then 2, मतलब at the end increase होना चाहिए, right? 3, 3, then 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have arranged in increasing order. Okay. So this is the second step. Through this diagram, you can see here BD, right? BD. Then you can see this DT, right? DT2, then DC is right. So this is also in third step. Third step. Here in third step over there. Add edges. Add edges. One by one in increasing order. In increasing order. Okay, so adding edges one by one in increasing order, but avoid those edges which can create a cycle. But we have to avoid those edges which create the cycle, which form the cycle. Okay, which create or form the cycle. So let's draw again table here. So for this, let's insert the table. We require number of row 7 take, number of column 2, and number of row 7. Okay, let's take it. Okay, so here we have to put edges, edge and the weight. Okay, so here we have to arrange again up to increasing, but we have to remove which form the cycle, right? So here again we will draw this diagram BD. Okay, BD in bracket also you can write, then DT, then BD, DT, AC, then CD, then AS. Okay, so here just 1 minute. Remaining we don't want, right? Cut it. Okay, so BD is having 2, then 2, 3, 3, and 7. Okay, so we have note at the edges. What we have note at the edges like BC, then BT and AB and SC, right? So because we have noted we have not added this BC, BT, AB and AC, SC because you can see we have seen this the add we have to add if we increasing order. So here after हमने यहाँ तक increase order में add किया, but we do not have add this one. Why? Because if we try to add these edges, it will be create a cycle. So we don't want cycles, so ignore such edges. We now have minimum cost spanning tree having the cost, so we have to add this having a cost that is equal to, you can write 2 plus 2 plus 3 plus 3 plus 7 is nothing but is equal to 17. Okay, so we have to add these wedges. This is nothing but 17, and we form the cycle which one we don't want, so we will not add this, we ignore this. Okay, first of all, in first we have to, in first step, so this is a 3 step. Okay, so now listen. First, this with the help of this example, we have to remove first loop in first step. Then in second step, we have to mention in increasing order all what direction edges whatever is given here, we have to add is. Then in third step, we have to remove which form the cycle, and we have to add final table R. So after this, we have to, based on this table, we have to draw this diagram again. So diagram will be like this only now. Okay, let's see. So no, wait a minute. Okay, so what we don't want, then we will just rough it here from here only. Okay, then we will see our diagram with the based on this table. Okay, with the based on this table, our diagram look like this. Okay, then which we don't want, we ignore it and we remove, that's why this one. Okay, so our diagram is look like this, final diagram. Okay, because we add AB, right? We don't add this one, this section. So our diagram is, final diagram is. Okay, so this is our final diagram. This is about Kruskal algorithm. Okay, now this is about the Kruskal algorithm. Now discuss the Prim's algorithm. Okay, in Prim's algorithm, let's see, let's discuss this. So here, this algorithm is used to find minimum spanning tree for connect weighted unidirected graph. Prim's algorithm start by choosing an arbitrary vertex node of graph. At each step, a new node will be added of tree. So here also one example is there. Let's discuss this example. Okay, 1 minute. Same example is there. So let's discuss what is there in this example. Okay, let's copy this example only here. Okay, then first choose any arbitrary node. Okay, as a node. Then in this case, we choose S node as root. In this case, we choose S node as a root of prime spanning tree. In prime spanning tree, we have to choose S node, okay, as a root. So it will be look like S equal to, first in we have to put null. That is nothing is there. Okay, then graph is equal to, we have to put S A B C D and T. Okay, then now check which are the outgoing edges of S, and choose of S. Okay, which are the outgoing edges of S. So from this we have to check which of the outgoing edges of S. Okay, and choose the one which have less cost. S equal to S. Okay, so S equal to S. So here from in this we have to check the outgoing edges. So let me increase the number. 1 minute. Okay, so here graph G equal to A B C, A, B, C, D, T. Okay, so here minimum S, A. Okay, then S, B equal to S, A and S, B equal to minimum 7, 8. So we have to find the minimum age, right? So is equal to, it will be 7. So see here, first S of A. So see here, S, A and S, B, both right, 7 and 9. So we have to find the minimum. So 7 is the minimum here. So we return here minimum. Then next, here we choose the edges S of A as laser value, right? We choose the, what? We choose the edge. We choose the edge S of A, sorry, SA as the laser value, right? As the laser value. So now, in step 2, this is the step 1, right? This is step 1. Just 1 minute. Let me mention first. This is step 1. Okay. I hope this step 1 you have understood. Then next step 2. In step 2, S equal to again S and A. Okay. So here graph is equal to B, C, D, T. Okay, B, C, D, T. So here let's find the minimum SC. Okay, then AC. Sorry, just AC. Then AB. Okay, so here min is what? We have to find minimum only in all. Okay, so here 8, then 3 and 6. Okay, then you will get now, right? So minimum is 3. We know that. We choose the age. Which one? AC. So ये डायग्राम में हम लोगों को सॉरी इस एग्जांपल एल्गोरिथम में हमें मिनिमम वैल्यू ही चूज करनी है. देन SC here, SC, right? Then SC, then you can see that after SC, AC, SC, AC, and then you can see the here AB, right? So which is SC, AC and AB. In 3 of them, we having the minimum value is a 3, right? So this the ages is AC. Okay, this is a step 2. And then step 3. Okay, in step 3, let's check. So again, S equal to A, sorry, S, A and C, right? Then, so graph equal to BDT. Okay, BDT. Okay, so minimum, let's again do minimum here. Minimum, that is SC. Okay, SC, then BC. Just 1 minute. So in step 3, see SSC BDT. So here also we have to find minimum value among the where 8, right? 8 means we know the value of 8, 4, 6 and 3. So here the minimum value is 3. Okay, you know the SC. Okay, and again step 4, we choose the laser value, that is just CD, right? Then again step 4, in step 4 we again choose like the what, S, A, then C and D. Okay, so here again G equal to अब मतलब पूरा ग्राफ कंप्लीट होना चाहिए. We know very well the definition of prime, right? जब तक वो पूरी कंप्लीट है तब तक we have to find minimal until the complete. Okay, then again let me write, then we will discuss. See, this is the step 4. Here also again we will find the minimum, or why we here 2 times 2 is there. Again जो first आएगा this is only we mention here, that's why we mention here dB, right? You can see in this diagram dB 2 and dt 2. So dB अगर ऐसे 2 times 2 है तो हम लोग alphabetic order में जाएंगे, और B is first, so we have written like this here too. Okay, so this is the minimum value of step 4. Let's check the step 5 now. Okay, I don't want to again explain the number and all, because I think so you will get now how to find, right, how to check the path. Okay, so let's check the step 5 here. After writing we will discuss. Okay, the edges, which one? dt, that is 2 means first we have choose the edges. We don't want to skip, but हम alphabetic order में गए, so that's why we again increase our step to here, because we have to choose the dt also, right? This is in this diagram, so minimum value we have to choose. So in this edges having two minimum value and equally value, that is 2 2. So first we take bd, db, and then dt. So this is the so with the means based on this minimum edges, we have to draw again diagram. We have to again means implement this diagram. Okay, so let's take this diagram. Okay, now go to the pen if there, then we can. Okay, we cut this, we have to take new one. Okay, so our diagram will be changed again here. Okay, so now what we want to do, whatever we have find, we want to increase, right? So let's take just 1 minute. Okay, so whatever watch which, okay, oh sorry, this is a C. Okay, then we don't want this one. According to our steps, we have to draw this diagram. Okay, sorry, according to step we have to draw the diagram. So I will not explain again. You have to check this. What we have to check the steps. We are following the step, and we draw the diagram. Okay. So this is our Prim's diagram, and this is in upper. We have seen the what? This is on Prim. So I hope कि आपके दोनों algorithm आप clear cut समझा होगा, right? So this is about your Prim's diagram, and this is about your crystal means what? Prim crystals diagram. So Prince you know very well, जब तक वो complete नहीं होता minimum edges तब तक हम लोगों को draw करना है, okay? और जब edges हमें पूरी fulfill करनी होती है, okay? और crucial में हमें looping और cycle form नहीं चाहिए होता है. So this is about your both algorithm. I hope कि you will get this both algorithm, right? Then selection sorting we have seen yesterday only. I mean in previous lecture only. So linear search algorithm in this. The medium of modern algorithm. The median is a atomic selection algorithm frequently used to apply a good pivot for an exact selection algorithm. The median of medians algorithm choose the pivot in following way: divide the list into sublist of length node, and then sort each sublist and determine its median directly. So this is about your okay. So today's lecture is over. Thank you.